Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make this nice, good mozzarella chicken strips. Very delicious. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a knife. You're going to cut in the center of this. Okay, next thing you want to do is you want to beat this real good. Okay, next thing you want to do, you want to put a cheese sticks right there, and we're just going to wrap this around best as we can, very tightly. Like that. Okay, what I want to add to this is 2 eggs. With a 1/4 cup of milk. And then we're just going to beat this up real finely. Okay, in our second dish we're going to have about 34 cups of breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs. Okay, now for our next one, I want to have 1 cup of flour, a couple sprinkles of black pepper, like that, and then we want some smoked paprika, a couple sprinkles of that, like that, and then we're going to have a little bit of salt, about like that, and we're just going to kind of mix this all together. Okay, what you want to do, overnight I put these in the freezer and let them sit with saran wrap over them. Okay, now I just pulled it out and I want to put it into the egg wash batter, just so everything sticks to it easier. Okay, now I'm going to put this into the flour. Let this coat very well. Okay, put it back in the egg wash. Okay, now we'll put this in the breadcrumbs. I got this right here. Look at that. Let's see if I get a... Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this. Look at that. Look at that cheese in the middle of that. Oh my God, it's good. Oh, it's very delicious. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you do subscribe to me, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.